1. watchOS 26, Smart Audio Adjustments and Gesture Controls Explained. 2. watchOS 26, Top 10 New Apple Watch Features You Need to Try. 3. Apple Watch notifications just got a whole lot less annoying. 1. watchOS 26, Smart Audio Adjustments and Gesture Controls Explained. Imagine never being jolted by a loud notification in a quiet library or a focused meeting. Your watch simply knows how loud to be. That's the promise of Apple's upcoming watchOS 26. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple is reserving this smart audio feature only for its latest models, meaning not everyone will enjoy the courtesy of context-aware alerts. At its core, watchOS 26 introduces automatic volume adjustment based on ambient noise. Instead of you scrambling for silent mode, your Apple Watch listens through its built-in microphone, analyzes the surrounding sound level, and tweaks alert volumes so they are never too loud or too soft. Picture yourself in a bustling cafe, your timer dings clearly enough to catch your attention. Then you slip into a quiet art gallery, the next notification whispers rather than shouts. And this is the part most people miss: it works not only for standard notifications but also for alarms, timers, incoming calls, and even Siri's responses. In effect, your watch becomes a considerate companion rather than a potential distraction. Of course, nothing is free of compromise. Automatic volume adjustment requires the extra processing power and advanced sensors found only in Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2. That hardware exclusivity fuels the debate. Is it fair that wearers of older models are left out? Some argue Apple should optimize the feature for earlier generations, while others point out that hardware limitations make accurate ambient analysis impossible on older chips. Beyond audio intelligence, watchOS 26 builds on gesture controls with the new wrist flick. First revealed at WWDC 2025, this one-handed motion lets you dismiss notifications, stop alarms, or silence an incoming call by flicking your wrist inward and then outward. The watch's accelerometer and gyroscope detect your movement, and on-device machine learning interprets your intention. It's a perfect solution when your hands are full or you're in the middle of a workout, no screen taps required. Like volume sensing, wrist flick support is exclusive to Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2. This enhancement complements the double-tap gesture introduced in Series 9, giving users multiple hands-free options to manage alerts quickly during meetings, runs, cooking sessions, or any moment when you can't spare a finger to swipe the screen. These notification upgrades don't stand alone. watchOS 26 brings a fresh, liquid glass design language to watch faces, smart stack, and the overall interface, lending a sleek new look to daily interactions. Other headline features include a dedicated notes app for quick jotting, automatic translation in messages that bridges language barriers on the fly, and an AI-powered fitness coach called Workout Buddy that personalizes workouts based on your performance. Still, the shine falls most brightly on smarter notifications and intuitive controls. If you've ever wondered whether your watch might blare disrespectfully at a wedding ceremony or whisper so softly at a noisy construction site that you miss a critical reminder, watchOS 26 has your back. Apple says this approach rethinks the very idea of alerts, no longer static, one-size-fits-all interruptions, but dynamic, context-aware interactions that respect your environment and your attention. The timeline is straightforward. Developers are already testing these features through the developer beta. A public beta is slated for July, with the full fall release to follow. Apple hints at future refinements, perhaps expanding compatibility to more models or fine-tuning the noise detection algorithms. Early user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with social media posts praising the potential to reduce disruptive beeps and buzzes. Experts at Tom's Guide and The Verge call it a welcome evolution that tames jarring alerts in quiet settings. But let's pause and consider the bigger picture. Should advanced software features be limited by hardware age? Is it reasonable for Apple to drive new sales through exclusive capabilities, or should the company ensure broader access even if user experiences vary? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think watchOS 26 smart alerts justify upgrading to Series 9, 10, or Ultra 2? Or is it a step too far in creating a divide between new and older devices? Share your opinions below and join the debate. 2. watchOS 26, Top 10 New Apple Watch Features You Need to Try. watchOS 26, discover 10 exciting new features for your Apple Watch ***. Get ready for a game changer. With the upcoming release of new Apple Watch models, Apple is set to unveil watchOS 26 in just a few months. This software update promises to introduce a variety of innovative features designed to enhance the functionality and intelligence of all compatible Apple Watch models. If you own a model that is compatible with watchOS 26, you can look forward to these 10 remarkable new capabilities when the update arrives in September. Automatic volume adjustment ***. Your Apple Watch will now intelligently adjust the volume of notifications, calls, and Siri responses based on the surrounding noise levels, provided it is not in silent mode. This means you can enjoy clear audio without constantly fiddling with the volume. Wrist flick gesture for quick actions ***. For users of newer Apple Watch models, a simple flick of your wrist will allow you to dismiss notifications, silence timers, and alarms, or quickly return to the watch face. This gesture makes it easier to manage alerts with just one hand. Real-time seconds display ***. On the Apple Watch Series 10, several watch faces will now show a continuous second hand even in always-on display mode. This feature ensures that you can keep track of time accurately, even when your wrist is down. Message translation ***. The Messages app will now feature live translation powered by Apple Intelligence, automatically translating incoming messages and your replies. This functionality is available on the Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2, provided you have a compatible iPhone. Smart Stack Suggestions The Smart Stack feature will now provide contextual hints based on your routines, sensor data, and location. For instance, it might suggest a workout when you arrive at a gym or offer to help you backtrack if you're in an unfamiliar area. Control Center Reset Option In watchOS 26, Apple has introduced a new feature that allows you to reset your Apple Watch control center layout back to its original settings. This is perfect for those who want to start fresh or simplify their interface. Personalized Workout Music The revamped Workout app will now automatically select music tailored to your listening habits and the type of workout you're doing, unless you already have media playing. This feature aims to enhance your workout experience with the perfect soundtrack. Milestone Alerts for Workouts With the new optional Workout Buddy feature, you can receive celebratory notifications when you achieve significant milestones, such as running your first 500 miles. This adds a fun and motivational element to your fitness journey. Notes app on Apple Watch Finally, the Notes app makes its debut on the Apple Watch, allowing you to create, unlock, and pin notes using Siri or dictation. Additionally, a new Create Note widget can be added to your control center for quick access. Live Listen Transcription When the Live Listen feature is activated on your iPhone, your Apple Watch will provide real-time transcriptions of conversations picked up by your iPhone's microphone. This is particularly useful in noisy environments or for those who are hard of hearing. Note Currently, watchOS 26 is in the developer beta phase, with a public release anticipated this fall, coinciding with the rollout of iOS 26 for iPhones. 3. Apple Watch notifications just got a whole lot less annoying. Apple Watch notifications are about to get less annoying. July 17, 2025. Credit, Shutterstock. For nearly a decade now, I've owned my Apple Watch, and honestly, I've only ever turned the sound off once. It's not that I don't want to hear it, far from it. I mean, who wants to be constantly interrupted by a buzzing, ringing, and dinging alarm all day long, especially when I'm in a quiet room? And since the only way to enable or disable alerts is through software, not a physical button, it's just too cumbersome for me to leave the sound on at all. So, I've been using their silent mode for years. But that might change with watchOS 26, Apple's upcoming update for the watch. Alongside other useful features, like the addition of a dedicated Notes app, https://lifehacker.com/life-added-finally-added-my-most-requested-update-to-the-apple-watch-2025. Finally, watchOS 26 introduces a new, intelligent way to manage alerts. According to Apple, the update will allow your watch to analyze the ambient noise of your current surroundings, automatically adjusting the volume of your watch speaker accordingly. That includes sound effects for alerts, timers, alarms, incoming calls, and Siri. All will be affected by the ambience of the room or space you're in. Hypothetically, your watch could sense that you're in a busy bar, and up the volume so you don't miss a call or an important alert. Or, more importantly, it could tell that you're in a quiet room with polite conversation, and reduce the volume considerably. I'm interested to see how it performs generally, but particularly when it detects that I'm somewhere relatively silent. If I'm in, say, a museum, and no one is speaking, will my watch make a peep? Or will it default to silent as well, to match the ambient volume of the room? What do you think so far? Time will tell, once I get watchOS 26 up and running on my Apple Watch. I'll definitely put it to the test, but I'm not convinced I'll actually use it. Even if alerts are more appropriate, and something I don't personally need to think about to intervene with, my guess is I'll prefer to lean on silent mode. It isn't necessarily a watchOS thing, either. Like many of us, I keep my iPhone on silent almost exclusively. But, hey, who knows, maybe watchOS 26 will change my mind. The download newsletter. Never miss a tech story. Jake Peterson. Get the latest tech news, reviews, and advice from Jake and the team. Lifehacker has been a go-to source of tech help and life advice since 2005. Our mission is to offer reliable tech help and credible, practical, science-based life advice to help you live better. Our mission, https://lifehacker.com/r-mission. Our team, https://lifehacker.com/r-team. Newsletter, https://lifehacker.com/newsletters. Copyright symbol 2001 to 2025 Ziff Davis, LLC, a Ziff Davis company. All rights reserved. Lifehacker is a federally registered trademark of Ziff Davis and may not be used by third parties without explicit permission. The display of third-party trademarks and trade names on this site does not necessarily indicate any affiliation or the endorsement of Lifehacker. If you click an affiliate link and buy a product or service, we may be paid a fee by that merchant.